Amazfit is one of the most popular smartwatch brands, with a wide range of smartwatches and ultra-long battery life. Among them, Amazfit Stratos 3 and Amazfit T Rex 2 are smartwatches focused on outdoor sports, with complete functions and high performance to price ratio. However, Amazfit T Rex 2 versus Amazfit Stratos 3, what's the difference between them? Which smartwatch is more worth purchasing? In this video, we'll give you a detailed comparison of Amazfit Stratos 3 and Amazfit T Rex 2. Although both the Amazfit T Rex 2 and Amazfit Stratos 3 have a traditional appearance, the Amazfit T Rex style is intended for harsh environments and high-performance activities that need a stronger and rougher appearance than the Amazfit Stratos 3. In addition, the Amazfit T Rex 2 has 12 military-grade certifications, ensuring its robustness and resistance to hostile environments, which makes it more suitable for outdoor activities, where we will not have to worry about it. While the Stratos 3 is a smartwatch focused more on style and elegance, focused on offering greater versatility for day-to-day use. Although this does not mean that you are not prepared to track even more activities than the T Rex 2. It also incorporates the Huami First Beat algorithm that allows us to carry out a better analysis of our physical capacities during training. There's no mistaking the T Rex 2 for anything other than a rugged watch. It's properly chunky, with a bit of a G-Shock vibe, especially if you go for the Astro Black and Gold color scheme. The Wild Green looks a bit Jingle Warfare to us, with our Ember Black review unit being a bit more of an all-rounder. The T Rex 2 is made from a polymer alloy, which was tough enough to shrug off a few accidental bumps and knocks during our testing, without picking up any battle scars. It's 10 atm water resistant, so you'll be able to take it swimming in both the pool and the sea. The Amazfit T Rex 2 is an outdoor smartwatch with somewhat basic features that are complemented by military-grade certifications and good autonomy. It is very suitable for outdoor enthusiasts. Stratos 3 is equipped with a 1.3-inch 360 by 360 pixel AMOLED display. The display has 16.7 million colors and is readable in all weather conditions. Also, the watch has a robust exterior style. As expected, it uses a plastic strap, which, according to the company, is skin-friendly and comfortable for long-term use. In addition, the strap remains dry and does not adhere during long-term use. T Rex 2 packs a 1.39-inch HD AMOLED with a resolution of 454 by 454 pixels. So this is an important upgrade as it makes it easier to monitor your data whilst on the move. In all cases, the display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 Plus. There's an anti-fingerprint coating. The Chinese company has given an aggressive aesthetic to the watch by using large metal buttons and screws on the outer rim. The watch comes in 5 different body colors, from which interested buyers can choose what they like. The smartwatch comes with 14 different exercise modes, heart rate monitoring throughout the day, and water resistance up to 50 meters. Like any other smartwatch, you can receive call reminders, alerts, and messages on the Amazfit T Rex 2. In addition, you can make payments through NFC and GPS. In addition to the NFC, it is not yet clear whether it will be a chip usable only in China. GPS, GLONASS and Galileo are also included. Optical PPG bio tracker for high-quality pulse measurement results. There is also an accelerator, air pressure sensor and geomagnetic sensor. However, the Amazfit Stratos 3 looks more stylish than Amazfit T Rex 2. What's more, the Amazfit T Rex 2 equipped more functions than Amazfit Stratos 3, such as over 150 kinds of sports mode, First Beat professional analysis, VO2 max, independent music playback and more. Also, the new device supports hikers, climbers, trail runners and adventurers to explore unfamiliar terrain through its route trajectory navigation, real-time navigation and journey tracking functions. The Stratos 3 is also modeled after the first Amazfit Stratos. The Stratos 3 also comes with a built-in 4 gigs internal memory to store music. 1.9 gigs is available for the user. With this option, you won't have to wear a smartphone for sports. The hardware is still known as 512 megabytes of LPDDR3 RAM. In terms of battery life, the Amazfit T Rex 2 can last up to 10 days with a single daily charge. Basic monitoring mode, on the other hand, will give you 60 days of backup with Bluetooth and heart rate sensors off. Finally, with GPS enabled, its durability reaches 20 hours. In terms of durability, the device comes with 12 military regulations that make it ready for tough use. The watch can withstand extreme environmental conditions of heat, cold, corrosion and humidity. At the same time, the competitive one is able to work a little less, namely about 7 days on a full charge. Based on the above, I believe you have a clue as to how you choose between Amazfit T Rex 2 and Amazfit Stratos 3. The Amazfit T Rex 2 is an outdoor smartwatch with a good price, but amazing battery life after 12 military-grade certifications. Very suitable for outdoor enthusiasts. Compared with Amazfit T Rex 2, Amazfit Stratos 3 is more stylish and suitable. As for my opinion, I would choose the Amazfit T Rex 2 option. They're more functional and new. But if you like the Amazfit Stratos 3 for its stylish looks, then this watch will also be good. What do you think about this comparison? Which of these watches do you like more? Write your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and see you soon.